how long it took my parents to get the painting right behind me. Months. They spent months going to art galleries, exhibitions, evaluating different artists, just to get something that they find appealing. Hi, my name is Vedaan Kumar, and I would like to present you Jorder. Jorder is basically a marketplace for art, where buyers can buy artworks and artists can sell them. One cool thing about Jorder is that it has a survey where it asks you which medium and style of artwork you would like. Then it recommends different artists which might fit your style. Then you can click on one of them and write them a request, just telling them what you have in mind for the artwork. Now, when the artist comes online and accepts your request, he draws it and sends it to you. Jorder will also have a tie-up with a logistics team to help send all of the artworks. We're looking at getting a commission of 10% from all transactions. We've predicted of getting 42 lakh in revenue in the first year, and we're thinking of breaking even on the second year. Thank you.